Hello class, today we're going to continue working on volume. In the first part of today's lesson, we're going to be working with a rectangular pyramid. So we know that since it's a rectangular pyramid, our base is going to be a rectangle. Okay. Here's the first problem to our lesson. It states, solve for the volume of the following shape. Okay, so I am going to use my success criteria in order to solve through the problem. And as I work through it, I need you to actually be taking notes and writing on a piece of paper because I will be providing you with a few answers. Okay, so the first step of my success criteria is I can identify the figure as a prism or a pyramid and then identify its formula. Well, let's see, I know that I have a vertex, and since it has a vertex, then it's got to be a pyramid. Okay, so I know it's a pyramid, and the volume, which is the formula for a pyramid, is 1/3 capital B, which is the base, times the height. Okay, and then looking at the shape, I can identify relevant values for the formula, which is number 2. Well, 10 inches, if I look at 10 inches, I know that 10 is from the bottom of the base all the way up to the vertex. So that's got to be the height, which is h. And then on the bottom I have 12 and 8, which is the distance for the base. And my base is a rectangle. Okay? And I'm going to shade in my rectangle, which is my base. And that's the first thing I'm going to focus on, is the base. So I've identified that. So next, I know that my base, put it over here to a side, is equal to a rectangle. And formula for a rectangle, area of a rectangle, is equal to little b, which is a small base, times the height, or it could also be written as length times width. So then now I'm going to substitute base and the height of the rectangle into my formula, which is be 12 times 8, and 12 times 8, that's 16, carry the 1, gives me 96, and I'm dealing in inches, my units is inches square. So my base, capital B, back up here, my base is equal to 96 inches square. And so now that I've solved the base, now I got to look back at the original formula, which is right up here, and substitute the values that I have now. I know that I keep the 1/3. My capital B is 96. And the height is 10 inches. So whenever I multiply a whole number by a third, it's the same as dividing by 3. So let me erase this, put it down some. So now I've got 96 divided by 3. Again, remember that when multiplying by 1/3, it's the same as dividing by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that leaves me with 32 times 10. And 32 times 10 is 320. 320, and my units is in inches, and I'm talking volume. So it will be in 320 inches cubed. So my volume for this pyramid is equal to 320 inches cubed. Remember, my base was 96 inches square. Okay? Hopefully that will help you solve the following 3 problems.